First, open the OM application. Its name is Top View 3.7. And then open the OM camera. Sample preparation. First, take out the sample from the box using tweezer. And then, take the sample plate. Use the clay to stick the sample on the plate. However, the surface is not parallel, so you have to press it first. To avoid the damage on the surface, cover it with tissue before you press it. Done! Next, place the sample on the table and clamp it, so it will not moving during the process. You have to set the picture size first, so you have to choose the lower one. To set it up, first use the lower magnification. And this is the scale to move the table. The table can move in X, Y, and Z axis. And this one is for Z axis or for focus. The movement is in milli and micrometer. And this one is for Y axis movement. The lower one is for X axis. The picture is blurry, so you need to set the focus until you can see it more clear. And it's focused now, then move into the higher magnification and do the same, set the focus on the lens. Next lens, do the same step as before, but remember, for this magnification you need to be careful. The lens is closer to the sample and we don't want the damage on the lens if it's crushed with the sample. So, just move with the micro scale. And this is how to capture the image. First, you have to click the camera icon on the toolbar, then your image will appear on the top bar. Back to OM bar again to be able to save the image. And this is the step to save the image of your sample. But before that, don't forget to make a new folder to save your OM image. And then save the image to the folder you made before. Name your image with your student ID and how many magnification you use for that image. And save it. And done.